mode Hasni, mode is the gesture. Similarly, for grouped data things also, when you compare mean, median, mode Hasni, mode is only the easiest Hasni. Okay,
Okay, sir.
mode is the easiest actually.
Okay, sir.
So now the formula will be like this Hasni for mode. Mode for grouped data, mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F2 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H then. L plus F1 minus F2 by 2F1 minus F2, F0 or F0. Some teachers will say F0 Hasni, some teachers will tell F0 like that.
Okay.
Okay. L plus F1 minus F2 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 by into H. Where so Hasni, where F1 is the frequency of model class Hasni. What is model class? I'll tell while doing the sum.
Okay, sir.
Then F2. Which is second Hasni. So Hasni, like I said, F1 is the frequency of the model class Hasni. F0 or F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the model class. Means frequency of the class preceding the model class. Means what is that preceding the model class? Also while doing the sum I'll explain Hasni. Similarly, F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class. And H is same Hasni, class size or size of the class interval. We already know.
Okay.
Okay, Hasni.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So like that. So in this Hasni, we will directly go to the sum. L is the lower limit of the model class Hasni. What is that? How to select the model class and all also I'll explain while doing the sum Hasni. Once you read the 13.2 first question.
The following table shows the ages of patients admitted in the hospital during a year. Find the mode and mean of the data given above. Compare the interpret of two measures of central tendency.
Yes, Hasni. So here Hasni only two columns will be there and the sum also will be completed with the two columns only. We will not get any extra column like mean and for median and mean we will get extra columns. Here we will not get any extra columns Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So ages of the thing is about the age and number of patients. So we'll write class intervals first. Class intervals and frequency. Okay, Asmi, I'll use small space Asmi because besides space and all I'll use for formula and sum.
Okay, sir.
1, 2, 3, 6 values are there. So first one has me 5 to 15. Okay, Hasmi,
Okay, sir.
15 to 25. 25 to 35. 35 to 45. 45 to 55. 55 to 60. Okay, Hasmi.
Okay.
So 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, 5. 21, 23, 14. Okay. So I wrote all the frequency values and class intervals Hasmi. So now in the frequency column, we already know Hasmi if it is ungrouped data, the highest observation, like number of highest number of observations, that is highest frequency observation is only the mode now Hasmi.
Yes, sir.
Here also, first step is to check the highest frequency Hasmi. In the frequency column, what is the highest frequency Hasmi?
23.
Yes, Asmi. So this will be the concept. This will be the F1 value, Asmi,
Okay.
in the formula. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And whatever the class interval corresponding to that F1, that will be the model class. Okay, Hasmi.
Okay, sir.
So now the model class for this sum, model class is 35 to 45. So what is the advantage of the model class is, Hasmi? Our answer mode value will be in between this only. If we want, we can check later. Like if you get something like, suppose after solving the sum, you got 47, something like that, you can confirm that that is wrong.
Oh, okay, sir.
Our answer will be in between this only. That is the advantage of this model class.
Oh, okay, sir.
That's why we'll call it as model class. Model class means our answer mode should lie in between that, because this is the highest frequency.
Oh,
That particular class interval is the highest frequency.
okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. So now what I will do is, Hasni, now Hasni, I'll just write the, like I was telling, L is the lower limit of the model class I was telling now, Hasni.
Yes, sir.
L is 35.
Okay, sir.
So now Hasni, we already got the F1 value. F1 value is,
23.
and whatever frequency that is there preceding that model class frequency will be there. No, that one is F0. That is before that. Before 23, what is there, Hasni?
21.
That is F0, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
And after F1, whatever is there, that is succeeding model class frequency. That is
F2.
how much, Hasni?
F2, 14, sir.
Hasni?
14.
Yes, Hasni. Now we'll apply the formula. H is how much, Hasni? Class size. Class size everywhere is
10.
yes, Hasni. So mode is equal to formula L plus. Formula is L plus S, Hasni, one still Hasni, F1 minus F0 by, or F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Until you become perfect with the formula, you have to write the formula everything. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. Now we'll just substitute the values, Hasni, here. I'll just substitute the values, Hasni. Mode is equal to L plus 35 plus F1 minus F0. 20 F1 minus F0 means 23 minus 21, Hasni. Directly shall I do it, Hasni?
So could you repeat?
I'm just substituting it, Hasni. L plus F1 minus F0 means F1 is 23, F0 is 21.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
I'm just substituting the values. So by 2F1, 2F1 means how much, Hasni? 2 into F1. How much will it become?
46.
Yes, Hasni. No, minus F0. F0 means minus 21. And minus F2 means minus 14. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
And multiplied with H will be there here, Hasni. Multiplied with H is how much? 10. I'm writing it beside actually. It went into the table, but I'm writing it next step clearly, Hasni.
Okay.
So 35 plus 23 minus 21. Numerator, how much, Hasni? 23 minus 21.
33 minus 21, 2.
Hasni, how much, Hasni?
No, sir.
Yes, Hasni. Denominator 46 minus 21 minus 14. You can do two ways, Hasni. Minus 21 minus 14, both negative. You can add it and subtract from 46. Or you can do two subtractions, 46 minus 21 once and then result minus 14, like that, whichever is convenient for you. I'm doing it like this, Asni. Both negative numbers I'm adding. Minus 21 minus 14 means minus 35 it will become. So 46 minus 35, it will become 11 as into 10. Okay. Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
So 46, if you do separate subtraction, 46 minus 21 also, you'll get 25. 25 minus 14 also, you'll get 11 on.
Okay, sir.
Now, Hasni, whenever you have situation like this, first we should check for any, it's multiplication, no, between them. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we should check for any cancellations. 2 and 11, 10 or 11, 10 will be part of numerator only. This is by 1, no, that's why.
Yes, sir.
So now any possibility to this is minus us, 21 minus 4. So
No, sir. No
this is
possible.
46 minus 21 minus 14 Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So now Hasni, 2 by 11 into 10, no cancellations are there in this part. In that case, you should not divide 2 with 11 and then multiply 10 like that. Separate division, we should not do Hasni. First we should multiply the numerators and then we should do division.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
No cancellations are there means Hasni. Here 35 plus 2 into 10, how much Hasni?
20.
20. 20 by
20 by
11 into 1? 11. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes, Hasni. Now we should not do LCM Hasni time is 20 by 11. We'll directly, because if you do LCM and so finally later of adding and all, you need to divide with 11.
Okay, sir.
Same like mean sum only. You need to find this decimal up to 3 or 4 decimals Hasni and we'll add it with 35. So you'll get 11, 1's 11, 1 point. You'll get 35 plus 1 point. This value will be 1 point Hasni, 90 means 8's 88. 20 again 1 will come 90 88 again same like this 18181 like that it will so on Hasni, it will go. Okay, if you divide that, so answer will be 35 plus 1.8181 will become Hasni 36.8181 Hasni. So maximum they'll give up to 4 decimals or 2 decimals like that Hasni. So they may give 36.82 Hasni because the reason is third decimal is more than 5. We can add 1 to the second decimal if we want to round off the answer.
Okay, sir.
So the mode is Hasni 36.82. So for this Hasni, the modal age is 36.81 Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Actually, they asked us to find mode and mean for this Hasni. Mean, I think some days back already you did it Hasni.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hasni. But that time have you verified the answer Hasni?
Sir, no, sir.
Which
I
you
don't
got?
think so, sir.
Mean whatever the answer which you got, have you verified with the back answer Hasni that time?
I don't think so, sir. Once should I search and do it?
Yes, Hasni. This answer we'll check Hasni mode. Once later mean also once you can check Hasni which you did.
Okay, sir.
I think anyways it will be correct Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Mode is 36.8181 Hasni.
Yes, sir. It's 36.8 only, sir.
81 they gave Hasni or 82?
Only 8, sir.
Hasni?
They gave only 8.
Okay, Hasni. So Hasni, if we write in third decimal or fourth decimal also, it is not a problem Hasni. Because the second decimal is less than 5, they rounded till the first decimal only.
Okay.
Less than 5 and the second decimal is less than 5, we need not add anything to the first decimal. We can remove these digits. If they rounded till the first decimal, that's why they gave it till.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Hasni. Mean also later once you can check it, Hasni.
Okay,
The
sir.
answer which you did.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so we'll go to the second one, Hasni.
Okay.
Once you read the question, Hasni.
The following data gives the information on the observed lifetime in an hour of 225 electrical components. Determine the model lifetime of the components.
Yes, Hasni. So Hasni, we can see model lifetime of the components, Hasni. Means they're asking us again same. Model means it's mode they're asking us to find out.
Okay,
For
sir.
the given data. So now Hasni, class interval. Frequency. And use the remaining space for the sum Hasni. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And write these smaller Hasni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. So Hasni, first class interval is 5 to 5. How much Hasni?
0 to 20, sir.
0 to 20.
Next is 20 to 40, 40 to 80,
0 to 20, 20 to 40,
40 to 60, sir.
40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to
120,
120.
120.
Then frequency values Hasni 10, 35, 52, 61, 38 and 29. No, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
No, Hasni. Can you tell the what is model class Hasni for this data?
So can I tell? Once could you repeat?
Hasni?
So once could you repeat what should I say?
Yes, Hasni. What is the model class for this sum Hasni?
Model class is 60 to 80.
Why Hasni?
So because we took model class as the highest number, right, sir?
Yes,
20
Hasni.
Yes, sir.
So this is the highest frequency 61. So 60 to 80 is the model class. Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, Hasni. So 60 to 80 is the. So
60
Hasni, once from here you will try to write down the values and you will try Hasni. Anyways, I will also do the sum.
Okay, sir.
So Hasni, the
Yes.
values of 61 is the highest frequency, which is F1 Hasni. The before frequency is the F0, and after frequency is F2 Hasni.
Yes, sir.
And model class is clearly model class is 60 to 80, which means L value is 60, lower limit of the model class. Highest frequency observation wherever it is, that is 61. That particular class interval is the model class.
Okay, sir.
Now Hasni, L is 60. Then we can see F1 value 61, F0 value 52, and F0 and F2. F2 value Hasni as 38.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Now, Hasni, we can find out the H value as class size, Hasni.
Which
How
is
much, Hasni, class size?
20, sir.
Okay, Hasni. So finally, mode is equal to formula Hasni L plus F1 minus F0 by F1 minus F0 only, Hasni, or F1 minus F2?
If not only, sir, we wrote it as if not only.
Hasni, before some did I write F1 minus F2 there or F0 only before some?
If not, you wrote, sir. If not.
Okay, okay, Hasni, F1 minus F. Okay, Hasni, F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 Hasni into H. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Now we'll substitute the values Hasni. L is how much Hasni? 60 plus F1 minus 61 minus 52. 5. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
2F1. 2F1 means 2 into 61 Hasni. Directly I'm doing. 2F1 means 2 into 61, which is 122 Hasmi. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Minus F0 is Hasmi 52 minus F2 is Hasmi 38. So 60 plus 61 minus 52 Hasmi. 61 minus 52 is
9.
9. By denominator Hasmi 122 minus 52.
Sir, I got the total answer as 38.
Hasmi
32, sir. I got total answer as 32. Total denominator as 32.
okay, Hasmi. So 72 minus 38. Hasmi 122 minus 52 is 72, I think. 72 minus 38 will be 42 Hasmi. We should get 42.
Okay.
72 minus 38. How much? Sir? 40. 34 you got, Hasmi.
32, sir.
Okay, Hasmi, once I'm checking. 122 minus 52 only. No, Hasmi, this one?
Yes, sir.
70. 70 minus 38, 32. Correct, Hasmi.
Okay. Into 20.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hasmi?
Next into 20, right, sir?
Oh, yes, Hasmi. Into 20, I forgot completely. H. Yes, Hasmi. Now, Hasmi, 20 and 32. We can cut it, Hasmi, because it's 20 by 1. No, this multiplication here, these two.
Yes, sir.
We cannot cut 30 to 60 because that's addition there, but these two we can cut. Because 20 is part of numerator, you can cut it with 4 table, Hasmi. Okay? 4 5s are 4 8s are. Okay, Hasmi.
Okay, sir.
So we'll get 60 plus 9 into 5 is how much, Hasmi?
9 5, sir.
By 8, Hasmi.
Yes, sir.
So which means 60 plus 45 by 8 is 8. We'll find out in the third decimal, Hasmi. Most of the time 8 will completely divide it. 8 5s are 40. Point 50 will be 8 6 are 48. 20, 8 is a 16. 4, 8 5 are 6 to 5. Which means the final answer is Hasmi, the mode. The mode value is 65.625 Hasmi.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is the model lifetime of the electrical components as well.
Okay.
Shall we, once we'll check the back answer, Hasmi, we'll go to the third question.
Yes, sir. Correct only. 65.625.
Okay, Hasmi. So here R's also they'll write, Hasmi, because this is about the R's, no? That is how many R's this electrical component will work, no? The
Yes.
question is about. So they said it in lifetime in hours. Okay, they didn't mention anything about hours. It is mentioned Hasmi. So we'll write hours also. Units whenever given Hasmi, like in before question also, age, no, it's about ages. So we should write years like that.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasmi. We'll go to the next one, Hasmi.
Okay, sir.
So once we read the third question, Hasmi.
The following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of a village. Find the model monthly expenditure of the family. Also find the mean monthly expenditure.
Yes, Hasni. For this also they're asking both mean and mode, Hasni. Mean you can try it, Hasni. Okay, Hasni, as homework, because in the same way which we did either, mostly we will not go for direct method. If step deviation is only better, Hasni, for mean.
Okay, sir.
you want, I will show you because I'll show both for this sum.
So could you repeat?
I will show both for these. For this sum, I'll show both Hasni. Node and me.
Yes.
Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. So I'll draw this table smaller, Hasni, so that I'll use the remaining space for the sum. So class interval, Hasni, it is 1000 to 1500. 1000 to 1500. Then 1500 to 2000. Then 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000. Then more four are there, last me. 3000 to 3500, 3500 to 4000, 4000 to 4500, 4500 to 5000. Now has no frequency values of 24, 40. One still has me 24, 40.
24, 40, 33,
28,
28, 30, or 22, 16, 7.
yes, Hasmi, that is correct. Now, Hasmi, what is the model class, Hasmi? Highest frequency observation, Hasmi.
Okay. 1500 to 2000.
1500. Yes, Hasmi. Out of all the frequencies, 40 is the highest, Hasmi, which is the model class. So, this is the F1, Hasmi. F1, then before one will be the
F note.
what, Hasmi? Before one will become the
F note.
before one, Hasmi, F naught, no?
Yes, sir. I told that.
Oh, okay, Hasmi. After one is F2. So Hasni, model class is 1500 to 2000. So L value is 1500, Hasni, lower limit of model class. Okay. And F1 is 40. F0 is 24. F2 is 33. And H value is how much, Hasni? Upper limit minus lower limit of any class interval if we do. H is how much, Hasni?
Um, One second, sir.
Yes, Hasni? You're on mute, Hasni.
Yes, sir. One second, sir.
Okay. So H is upper limit minus lower limit of any class interval, Hasni. If we do that, we'll get H as 500.
Okay, sir. My grandma came, that's why I muted, sir.
Oh, okay. So Hasni, finally, once mode formula, Hasni, you can tell the mode formula.
L plus
L plus
F1 minus F naught
S, Hasni,
by 2F1 minus
minus
F
F
naught
naught minus
is
F2 into
H.
H. We'll keep the values, Hasni, in the formula. Mode is equal to L. L is 1500, Hasni. plus F1 minus F0 is 40 minus 24 Hasni, which is 16. Okay, Hasni, directly shall I write Hasni or you want me to
No, sir,
write the
you can write direct.
40? Yes, Hasni. 2F1 is 2 into 40 Hasni, 80. F1 is this 2 into 40, 80 minus F0 is 24 minus F2 is 33 into H is 500.
Sir, instead of 20 in the F1 minus F0, instead of 24, you wrote 16, sir.
So this is 24. Okay, actually 16 how I wrote Hasmi? Means from somewhere I saw I think 16. I don't know why I wrote. Because nowhere here 16 is there, no, Hasmi?
No, sir.
By mistake I wrote. Here 16 is there, but some by mistake I wrote.
Yes.
Yes. So 15, 40 minus 24 Hasmi. F1 minus F0. So now Hasmi finally mode is equal to 1500 plus 40 minus 24 is 16 Hasmi. 80 minus 24 is 56. Okay, Hasmi.
Okay, sir.
56 minus 33 is 23. You also got the same answer, Hasmi.
Yes, sir.
So, Hasmi, 56, 40, 53, 23. Yes, Hasmi. So now we cannot cut 23 with 500, Hasmi. This is by 1, no, into, no, here we cannot cut. So we will multiply 16 into 5 and divide with the 23 Hasmi. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we'll get it as 1500 plus 16 into 5 is 8000 Hasmi.
Yes, sir.
By 23. So 8000 by 23 Hasmi with 5. We'll get 347.826 Hasmi. We do this one. So it will be 1500 plus 347 point. The place is not there. 347 point. Actually 1500 plus which is equal to 1500 plus 347 has me 1847.826. This decimal is not an end Hasmi. It will go 826 point something, but we'll take it till the third decimal.
Okay, sir.
So Hasni, the mode, you can see Hasni, our answer is in between the model class. So in that way, we can confirm that, okay, calculation mistake is different Hasni, but this is just an idea that our answer is in between 1500 to 2000.
Yes, sir.
Model class. So answer Hasni, just for confirmation, once you check the answer Hasni, third one.
Yes, sir. It's 18.47.
See,
So,
they gave till which decimal Hasni?
sir, they gave it like 1 second. Sir. 18.47.83 until they rounded off to 83, sir.
Okay, third decimal is more than 5 Hasni. They added 1 to the second place Hasni. 83 they made.
Yes, sir.
But 1847 is correct now. So 1847.83.
Yes, sir. That only.
Okay. Shall I delete it, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Hasni?
Okay, sir. You can.
Okay, Hasni. So Hasni, now the same question we'll do the mean also, Hasni. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we can see the numbers are big one, Hasni. First for mean, we know the columns we need to draw. So class interval column, frequency. I think anyways, I'm going to do step deviation only, Hasni.
Okay,
So frequency xi column, di is equal to xi minus a column. Okay, Hasni.
okay, sir.
And ui is equal to di by h, Hasni. Ui column. And finally, fi ui column, Hasni. These many columns will come.
Okay.
Because I first itself decided to do step deviation. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. Now class intervals I'm writing, Hasni. Class intervals, frequency, xi column, fi, frequency of xi. Then di is equal to xi minus a. Okay, Hasni.
Okay,
Hasni, actually it was recording and it was, I think for a while I was not speaking anything. So Hasni, di is equal to xi minus a, Hasni. Then next column is Hasni.
G1.
Ui is equal to di by h, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Di means whatever xi minus a values we get, no, that is di. That
Okay,
will divide with h, Hasni.
okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. Then fi ui we will do it, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, Hasni, we will check, we'll write the class intervals now clearly. 1000 to 1500, 1000 to 1500, 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000, 3000 to 3500, 3500 to 4000, 4000 to 4500, 4500 to 5000. I think I wrote all the 8, Hasni.
Yes, sir.
Now, Hasni, F5 values, Hasni, 24, 40, 33, 28, 30, 22, 16, and 7. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
The next Xi values, Hasni. So Xi, Hasni, 1000 plus 1500 by 2, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So 2500 by 2, which will become 1250 Hz. Okay, then we'll add 500, it will become, because everywhere class size is same, no? We just have to add whatever class size is there for the first xi value. If we add the class value, and that is class size value, we'll get the next one.
Okay, sir.
750 plus 500 has me 2250. 2250 plus 500, 2750. 2750 plus 500, 3250. 3250 plus 500, 3750. 3750 plus 500, 4250. 4250 plus 500, 4750. Yes or no, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Now Hasni, di is equal to xi minus a. So we'll select a value from xi Hasni from the middle, somewhere from the middle. Let us select this as the a value.
Okay, sir.
A. I'm selecting it as assumed mean value as 2750. Actually, what is the assumed mean value use is Hasni? Our mean will be mostly nearer to this Hasni,
Okay, sir.
because it's called assumed mean value. So now what we'll do is di values we'll find by, that is deviation values. We'll subtract the a value from every xi column value Hasni. That is 1250 minus, first one is 1250 minus 2750, which is 1500 Hasni, but minus. Okay.
Okay, sir.
1750 minus 2750 is Hasni 1000. 2250 minus 2750 is minus 500. 2750 minus 2750 itself is
0.
0. 3250 minus 2750 Hasni 500. Okay.
Okay, sir.
3750 minus 2750 1000. 4250 minus 2750 1500. And again 4750 2000. Let's check Hasni, any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes, Hasni. Now Hasni, you can see H is 500 class size.
Okay, sir.
Okay. H is 500. So we will divide each column of UI now. What to get the UI column? We will divide the each value of UI with H Hasni, that is 500.
Okay, sir.
So minus 1500 by 500 is minus 3. Minus 1000 by 500 is minus,
2.
yes, Hasni?
Minus 2, sir.
Yes, Hasni. So you can see Hasni, we should not do this sum using either step deviation or sorry, with assumed mean method and mean first direct method, because you can see fi di values will become bigger.
Yes, sir.
Now ui became how much smaller values we are getting. We can see Hasni. Minus 500 by 500 is minus 1. 0 by 0 0 Hasni. 500 by 500 1. 1000 by 500 2. 1500 by 500 is 3. 2000 by 500 is 4. Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
Yes, Hasni. Now, finally, we will do the FI UI Hasni. That is every value of frequency column and UI column will multiply respectively.
Okay, sir.
So, 124 into minus 3 Hasni minus 70. Okay.
Okay, sir.
40 into minus 2 minus 80. 33 into minus 1 minus 33. 28 into 0 20, 0. 30 into 1 30. 22 into 2 44. 16 into 3 48. 7 into 4 28. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
I multiplied all the respective FI and UI value columns, Hasni. That is FI UI value column to get the FI UI column.
Okay, sir.
Now we will do addition of FI UI column, Hasni, and FI column. FI column, sum of all the frequencies, they'll give it in the question also. It is 200 families, Hasni. So F5 values anyways, if you add, you will get 200 only. I'll directly write this as.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Sigma F5. Sigma F5. If we do it Hasni, we'll get it as 200. They gave already 200 families, it seems.
Okay, sir.
So Hasni, now Sigma F5 UI I am doing this.
Okay, sir.
Sigma F5 UI is equal to, it is addition of all the values present in F5 UI column Hasni, which is equal to, first I'll add all the positive values Hasni, 30 plus 44, 74, 74 plus 48, 82, 122, 122 plus 28, 130, 150 Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. 180, 30, 130, 40 plus 40, 80, 30, 110, 130, 146, 150, 150 Hasni, exactly.
Okay.
And these three values Hasni, minus 72, both all negative also we can add it. Minus 72 minus 8 is minus 152, minus 152 minus 133 is minus 33 is minus 185 Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So minus 185 and minus 150, 150. So it will become minus 185 and plus 150 Hasni.
Okay, sir.
How much it will become? Minus 35. This value is minus 35. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
So minus, now Hasni will apply the formula. So I'll do the remaining sum here, Hasni. Mean is equal to step deviation method. So mean is equal to A plus, what is the formula, Hasni? Step deviation method, A plus
A plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into H.
S, Hasni. Mean is represented as X bar is equal to A plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into H, Hasni. That is correct. So now Hasni will substitute the values, Hasni. A plus, A is 2750 Hasni, plus sigma Fi minus 35 by sigma Fi 200 into H. H is Hasni.
500, right, sir?
It's Hasni. We'll cut the zeros, sir. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
You cut the zeros, Hasni. We'll get the 2750 plus minus 35 into 5. How much, Hasni? Minus 175 by 2. Numerator we have minus 35 into 5 left, Hasni, which is minus 175. Minus 175 by 2. Any doubt, Hasmi?
No, sir.
Yes, Hasmi. So 2750 plus minus 175 by 2 is Hasmi. If you divide it 87. No. 87, I think, Hasmi. 87 is 174. 2 into 87. So minus 87.5. Okay, Hasmi?
Okay, sir.
So Hasmi, this if we subtract it, we will get it Hasmi 2750 minus 2750 minus 0.00 minus 87.5. Zero, 10 minus 5, 5 Hasmi. And 9 will be there. 9 minus 7, 2, 4. Then 14 minus 8 is 6. Here 6 will be there. Then 2. 2, 6, 62.50 or 5. Okay, Hasmi?
Okay, sir.
2662.5 is the answer, Hasmi.
Okay, sir.
Mean.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, Hasmi. Any doubt, Hasmi?
No, sir.
Okay, Hasmi. Just for confirmation, once you check the back answer, Hasmi. So third question, mean and mode values, sir. We
Yes.
did it, Hasmi.
Mean value is correct. Mean value is 2662.5, sir. Correct only.
Okay, Hasmi. So if you see, Hasmi, none of the answers, most of the answer, I think maybe they might have corrected that also, except one question, Hasmi. Exactly, we should get Hasmi decimals.
Okay, sir.
Unless they round it to second decimal, those ones, whatever we got are accurate. They round it to second decimal or third decimal. But the ones we can find out here means we got only one decimal. If we get exact 3 or 4 decimals, we can leave there. We can leave there also, Hasmi, without rounding also. They gave after rounding.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasmi. So any doubt, Hasmi?
No, sir.
Okay, Hasmi. So Hasmi, the remaining 3 sums of mode, you will take it as over, Hasmi. We'll start median in our next class, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Hasmi. Yes, bye, Hasmi.
Bye, sir.